away with this, you feathery fiend!
Yeah. Why don't you come over here and say that?
Just you try and stop me!
Guys! No!
Morning.
Sheba!
Huh? Oh, boy.
I was gonna say, watch out for that big robotic thingamadoodle dumper flop! Only the furball left! You're doomed! That crown will look divine over my head as I preside over Gooseland! Give it up, guinea pig! You're outnumbered!
Well, shoulder up. You could do this, champ. Pipe and Raven. Stick a move, Baba. We've strawberries and ice cream.
Ice cream? Speaking of food... Got it! Missed!
I wasn't aiming at you, Goosey.
The sandwich! Trapped! My sandwich!
Bravo!
Oh!
Or can I make an entrance? Well done. You all followed my plan perfectly. The Gravitron has its hands full, literally.
You're supposed to be in jail!
That's the thing about being a master thief. As well as being really good at breaking into places, I can also break out. I knew you'd be easy to rile, Goosey.
I'll get you for this, pea-brain!
Oh, sticks and stones will break my bones, but in this crown, I'll look fabulous.
Wow, that's some serious blingage. I love it.
Well, you've all been super fun, but I've got to get back to jail before someone misses me. Toodles! Pia! Wouldn't want to Pia!
Whoa! I'm Duckcopter! Which one of you idiot ducks lit the keys in the ignition? He's getting away!
Not yet, he hasn't.